Before Great Grass, we used to have normal turf like everyone else, but the dog would play on it, rip it up, and it'd be mud everywhere. And then he'd start digging into it, and we child mind, and the children couldn't play on it because it was that bad.
We came across Great Grass. A friend of ours had used the company last year and was extremely pleased.
From the inquiry, Great Grass were down on the same day, measured up, give us a price there and then.
They were quite happy to leave us with the quote and get back to them, but we were more than happy and decided on the day that yes, we wanted the job done. On the day of installation, I thought just a couple of guys would turn up.
But 6 turned up.
Yes.
Amazing. Said they'd do it in one day. We thought there's no way could you do a job this big in one day. But the team they brought, excellent.
Amazing.
Throughout the entire job, the lads were really clean, conscientious, couldn't fault them at all.
The job was done in January, so really cold, miserable morning, and we actually even had snow, so we thought that the job would have been off, but no.
Worked through it, they were absolutely soaked, they were freezing cold, they never complained. Absolutely great set of lads.
Just looks like Wembley for me.
Me and the dog absolutely love it.
Children that we can look after can now play out and not worry about getting muddy. I wish we'd have had it done years ago. You know, the job's brilliant, but I think I actually lost my husband to my garden because he's always outside now playing with the dog or brushing his garden.